Now this wooden garden gate has been knackered out due to the wear and tear and the weather over the years. A wooden garden gate like this will cost around £50 to £100. It's time to get it replaced. Instead of installing another wooden gate, I've gone for aluminium, which is something I don't have to worry about getting damaged. You just set it and forget it. These are composite inner slot panels. It's pretty much same like plastering decking, I suppose. Now online, if you search for these gates, they go from £400 and above, depending upon your measurements. We had the frame bolted in from the concrete post. In the end, we screwed in the panels. Here, a separate side panel was made due to an off alignment in between the bricks and the concrete post. With the gate, a lock has been installed and a handle. This is how it looks from outside. This is how it looks from the outside. And this is how it looks from the inside. No maintenance is required, adds extra security and gives a modern look. A lifetime gate is something worth investing. Stay safe, peace.